In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted or archived lists in Trello. If you've ever cleaned up a board a little too quickly, don't worry, Trello makes it straightforward to bring a list back. We'll walk through opening your board, finding the archive, and restoring the list so it reappears on your board right away. A quick note before we start. In Trello, lists are typically archived rather than permanently deleted. If a list was actually deleted, it usually can't be recovered, but most of the time it was simply archived, and that's what we'll restore. First, head to Trello.com and sign in. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, but the web experience is the most consistent for this task. Once you're in, open the board's view to see all the boards you have access to, choose the board where the list originally lived and open it. On your board, look toward the top right corner for the menu icon. Depending on your layout, this may look like three dots or it may say Show Menu. Click that to open the board menu. From here, find and select Archived Items. This is where Trello stores cards and lists you've removed from the board view without deleting them. Inside the archive, you'll typically see a way to toggle or filter between cards and lists. Make sure you're looking at lists so you don't miss what you're after. There's also a search bar, super helpful if you remember part of the list's name. Type a keyword to narrow things down quickly. When you locate the list you want, click the Restore option. Trello may label this as Send to Board or Unarchive depending on your interface, but the effect is the same. The list returns to your board. It usually appears at the far right, so if you don't see it immediately, scroll horizontally. You can drag it back to its original spot or wherever it now fits best in your workflow. If you don't see your list, double check that you're in the correct board. Archives are specific to each board. Also, confirm you have the necessary permissions on that board since some actions may be restricted by workspace settings. Try searching with different keywords or leave the search box empty to view the full archived list history. That's it. Open your board, go to the menu, open archived items, switch to lists, and restore the one you need. With this approach, you can confidently clean up your boards knowing you can bring back a list if you need it later. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Trello.